issue of show cause notice under section 73(1). Okay, non-payment, short payment, erroneous refund, wrong availment or utilization of ITC. In this case, person other than non-payment, short payment, erroneous refund, wrongly availment or utilization of ITC, other than fraud, willful misstatement, suppression of facts uh, by person chargeable with tax. So in this case, the proper officer uh, before serving notice uh, communicate the details of tax and interest and penalty ascertained by him to the taxable person. Okay, so taxable person in that response should pay the tax on own ascertainment. In this voluntary come forward to pay the tax and interest and penalty on own ascertainment, खुद को पता चले या informed by the proper officer to him. Okay, in this case the proper officer doesn't the assessee, your taxable person is not required to pay the penalty. He has to only pay tax outstanding or demanded and interest under section 50 subsection 1 18% interest rate. Okay, and inform in writing to the proper officer. In that response, proper officer issue acknowledgement about the tax paid by the taxable person. Okay, another case, if the taxable person not paid the tax before issuing of notice, so proper officer can issue a notice. Proper officer issue notice to the taxable person or statement. In this statement, the amount of tax payable, interest payable or detail are informed to the taxable person. So proper officer issue a notice to the taxable person. So after issue of notice, if the assessee come forward to pay the tax interest within 30 days, so in this case also the taxable person doesn't require to pay the amount of penalty. Okay, and another case, if the taxable person make representation in his defense, uh, his view, taxable person view is that not liable to pay tax whole or part of the amount of tax. Okay, so proper officer after hearing the taxable person or representation made by him before the proper officer in response to that hearing pass order determining the amount interest penalty due from such person. Okay, so period of issue of notice, so issue of notice at least 3 months prior to limit specified. What is the limit? 2 years and 9 months from the due date of filing annual return for the financial year to which the demand pertains. Means in this case, the case of other than fraud, willful misstatement, suppression of facts by chargeable person, the proper officer can issue a notice within a period of 2 years and 9 months from the due date of filing annual return. So what is the due date of filing annual return? As per section 44 stipulate that annual return for a financial year need to be filed by 31st December of the next financial year. Means next financial year 31st December the annual returns should be filed. ठीक है? Okay.